Welcome to our ultimate guide to the keto diet meal plan. The ketogenic diet has become increasingly popular in recent years, with many people using it as a tool to lose weight, improve their health, and enhance their fitness. In this video, we will take you through everything you need to know about the keto diet and provide you with a comprehensive meal plan that will help you achieve your goals. What is the keto diet? The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has been shown to be effective in helping people lose weight, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health. The diet works by putting the body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This state is achieved by drastically reducing the amount of carbohydrates in the diet and increasing the amount of healthy fats. Benefits of the keto diet. The benefits of the keto diet are numerous and varied. Some of the most significant benefits include weight loss, improved blood sugar control, increased energy levels, reduced inflammation, and improved brain function. Additionally, the keto diet has been shown to be effective in treating certain medical conditions, including epilepsy and type 2 diabetes. How to follow a keto diet. Following a keto diet may seem daunting at first, but with a little planning and preparation, it can be a very enjoyable and sustainable way of eating. In this chapter, we will provide you with practical tips for following a keto diet, including what foods to eat, what to avoid, and how to prepare delicious keto-friendly meals. The ultimate keto meal plan. Now that you have a good understanding of the keto diet and how it works, it's time to start planning your meals. In this chapter, we will provide you with a comprehensive keto meal plan that will help you achieve your health and fitness goals. The meal plan includes delicious recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, as well as snacks and desserts. Delicious keto recipes. In this chapter, we will provide you with some of our favorite keto recipes. These recipes are delicious, healthy, and easy to make, making them the perfect addition to your keto meal plan. Some of our favorite recipes include keto-friendly pancakes, cauliflower crust pizza, and chocolate avocado mousse. Congratulations, you have completed our ultimate guide to the keto diet meal plan. We hope that you have found this video informative and helpful, and that you are now inspired to try the keto diet for yourself. Remember, the keto diet is not a one-size-fits-all approach, so it's important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best on your health and fitness journey.